All right, so here we are standing outside of a 2021 Honda CR-V LX. I'm going to walk around this vehicle, show you guys all the cool standard features and functions, answer any questions for those who consider to buy this. If you guys have any questions, drop them down below. If you found this video helpful, please feel free to show your support by hitting like and subscribe, please. I would greatly appreciate that. Now let's kind of walk up here to the Roni sticker as usual. You guys are welcome to pause the video right here. Up on the top right hand corner talks about your fuel economy. You got 27 for the city, 32 for the highway with a combined of 29. Down on the right hand corner talks about your safety ratings. Off to the side talks about where the vehicle is made at, as it is a US made product, the price point, and then the list of standard features. All right, as we walk here towards the front, you got two standard keys. All of your Honda sensing features come standard. I'm talking about your lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, your forward collision magnetic braking with road departure. You're going to have 190 horsepower with a 1.5 turbo 4-cylinder with a CVT transmission. You have LED daytime running lights. We'll step right here along the side. You get these nice 17-inch alloyed rims. This particular color is called Radiant Red. You get a nice little bit of chrome action around the windows. We got blacked out handles and side mirrors. We're also going to have a capless gas tank. I already have it popped open so you can see that. There it is. No longer a $2 cap to argue or debate with. It's a simple slide and go. Don't worry about misplacing that. Your gas release. It's going to be right in here. And there it is. Just pull that right towards us. Step here towards the back. Get a little bit of chrome action right back here. Nice smoked tail lights. All-wheel drive badging for the all-wheel drive. We have a multi-angle rear camera. I'll show you guys a little more of that on the inside. It's going to be a hydraulic liftgate. We're going to have 60-40 split seats back here that come down nice and flat. To bring those down nice and flat, all you have to do is pull that handle and everything comes down. We're going to have some nice courtesy tie downs. One right here. So you know things won't be jumping around, kind of damaging all the nice plastic back here. Nice little courtesy lights on both sides. When that tailgate opens up, comes right on. Down below, you're going to have a spare tire for those unforeseen events. A nice insulation down there is just going to make it more of a quieter ride for your passengers. Then you have your emergency funnel there, just in case if you run out of gas and you have a gas can with a collapsible nozzle. Make sure you use that because it will get stuck if you don't. Then we have a third seat belt. It's going to be right here. That's what that is. Now, cool thing about this, if you need a little more height, not a problem. This whole thing is a little adjustable, as you can see from that point. So, you know, you got someone in the back seat, just fold these seats right up. It's going to be quick and easy. Just like that. What I like about the CR-Vs is how wide this door opens up, almost at a 90-degree angle, so it makes it easy for anyone to get in and out of, or if you're getting that kid out. You know how they always like to go limp. Got a nice little bit of trim work here with on the door. You guys know about power windows. Got some additional storage space down there. Carpet mats come standard, no additional charge. Adjustable air vents. Got some nice cloth seats. You got some additional cup holders with the armrest here in the center. The cool thing about this, these seats will adjust. You can do an additional recline. You got a little button right over here. Pull that towards you. Comes down a little bit so you can see how that kind of goes. All right, once again, we got a nice little bit of trim work here within the front door. You guys know about power windows, power locks. You got your mirror selector here, the D-pad to adjust accordingly. Then a window lock button, just in case anyone back there is misbehaving. You can lock them out from the windows. Some additional storage space down below. You have manual seats here on both sides. It's going to be a pump action. To raise it, you just got to pull up. To lower, you got to pump down. You got your recline here. Then you have a squeeze bar right up there to slide forward and back. Now, right over here, we're going to have your gas release, hood release. standard key. Let's turn everything right on. Then we're going to move here quick out of the sun so you don't get a glare, so you can see a little more what's going on. All right, perfect. All right, right over here on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you get some additional buttons. You got your road departure. It's off, it's on. You got your vehicle stability assist and your forward collision magnetic braking if you ever want to shut that stuff off. Steering wheel adjustment is going to be down below. It's going to be a telescope, so it goes in and out, up and down. You can adjust accordingly. Just push it right back in. You have all your Honda sensing features over here on the right-hand side. It's a little worn. Let's roll down a window. It's gorgeous out today. All right, sorry about that, guys. So you have all of your Honda sensing over here on the right-hand side of the vehicle. You can see when it's available by the green writing right over there. You got your ACC. That's your adaptive cruise control, then your lane keep assist system. If you don't see that, it's not a problem. Just hit this main button. As you see, it went away. Now it's available from that point. So with your cruise control, you hit set, adjust the speeds, and you have your adaptive cruise control from here. So with your adaptive cruise control, when that's on, your cruise, you can set the distance between you and the car in front of you. That's what those lines are changing for. So let's have I'm going, I don't know, 45, the car in front of me is going 40. Once it senses that car in that range, from that point it will slow you down to maintain that distance for you. And once they get out of the way, you're going to resume back to whatever your cruise control was set at. Now you have your lane keep assist. It's going to be this button right here. This is going to be for your highway driving. Right now we're not going the proper speed between 45 and 90 miles an hour and not finding dotted lines on the road at the moment. So therefore it's hollowed out lines. It gives you a visual confirmation. Once it finds lines on the road, it'll be filled in white dotted lines so you know it's working from that point. Right over here on the left-hand side, you got all of your media control. You got hands-free for your phone. You can answer, hang up, back out of the menu, voice command. Hey, call Crazy Honda Chris on mobile phone. Gives me a call. I answer all of you guys' questions. You got your volume control right here, all of your music and interface right up here. You can display from that. Let's go ahead and thumb through that here quick for you guys. You can change all of your settings right in here within the settings. Recalibrate your tires. You got your driver assist, so that's your Honda sensing features. You can customize your meter setup, lighting setup, doors like when they open and unlock, stuff like that. You're gonna have auto headlights. Wipers and everything else is going to be on the other side. When you pull these down, the more you pull down, the faster they go. And then you get your rear wipers. It'll twist from that point. From there. All right, we'll get over here to the screen. So you got your radio options. We'll turn that down. You got FM, AM radio. You have an FM too, so you can save up to 12 stations. You got your media buttons. You select that. You don't have a CD player in here. Okay, that's not a problem. You can download your books, your music, all that stuff onto a flash drive. Then it's a plug and play. Get your flash drive, plug it down here, and then it'll display right up here like a CD player. From that most part, you can play all that without having all the CD clutter and all that. All right. Hit media again. You got your Pandora, then Bluetooth. So you know, get it on your phone or other Bluetooth capable devices. Just pair it right up. You're good to go. You can pair up multiple phones. Power button for your radio, volume. This is going to be a tuner button right over here. And once again, you got some adjustable vents. You got your warning hazard lights going on. Climate control is going to be nice and easy. On and off button right here. Then you got your fan speeds, temperature, air circulation, bringing the, keep the air circulating in here, bringing outside air in. You got your front defroster, rear defroster, your different modes, AC from there, on or off. You're going to have a shifter. You guys know about park, reverse. When you throw it into reverse, you're going to have your multi-angle camera automatically displays from that point. You can hit one or this button here. It's going to change the views. So as you kind of zoom in right over here, you can see this little picture. It shows you how the camera's going to act. It's going to be a right behind you view. Straight down shot from your rear bumper view. and then kind of a nice 180 view, catches more of your blind spot. It's going to be great when you're pulling out of the parking lot, like in a Hy-Vee or wherever you do your grocery shopping at, so you can catch the cars coming more from that side. All right, then you guys already know about neutral. You get your drive, then you have an S for sport drive. It changes your gear ratio, stuff like that, for more throttle response. And you have a low gear drive for like those steep hills, mountains, stuff like that. We have idle stop with the vehicle, so every time your car gets in idle, when it meets a certain criteria, it will partially shut off the engine so you're not consuming gas. The whole point of that is to make you more fuel efficient for your city driving. For some reason, you don't like that. It's not a problem. Just every time you get into the car, you have to click and hold this button down. You get this nice, beautiful orange A that comes up there on the left-hand corner to let you know, hey, your idle stop is off, all right, disabled. We'll turn that back on to see if you got some fuel. You have an Econ button. When you hit that, you get a nice little green leaf right up there. It's going to make you more fuel efficient, most effective for your highway driving. How it does that, you can be sacrificing acceleration power, AC power, and electrical power up front to give you better fuel economy. You may see anywhere from 2 to 4 more miles to a gallon, depending on how aggressive you're driving. Now, think about it like a video game. If you like a little bit of visual coaching, you get this nice white light that's going to be right up here on the way top there, guys. It changes from white to green when you're being fuel efficient, then green to white when you're not. So there's your kind of, little visual coaching from that point. You can be a little more self-aware. We're gonna have a electrical parking brake right there. Then you have your hold brake. Your hold brake simply is, every time you get to a complete stop, it holds that brake for you until you apply it to the gas. Check out my other video right up there. We'll kind of go over that stuff for you guys, all right? Down below, we have a USB port. It does glow in the dark. Nice little tray right over here. Cup holders. We got an armrest. Opens right up. Look at this. You got a nice little tray. Pull that back, bring it in there. Now I can put all my cool stuff in there. You're also going to have a 12-volt plug-in. Nice little bit of trim work going on on the dash. Glove box is pretty deep, so challenge accepted. Throw whatever you want in there. You're going to forget about it, most likely. I do it every day. Checking out the visors. Hello. Place for the sunglasses. You get a little compensation mirrors. I can keep out on pets, friends, cargo, whatever's back there. Maybe the kids. This button right here is just simply for the lights to come on or off when the doors open up. And there it is, guys. That's going to be the 2021 Honda CR-V LX. Let's take one last look here on the outside of the vehicle. Once again, if you guys have any other questions, feel free to drop them down below in the comments or contact me, Crazy Honda Chris, at 319-540-7307. I'll do my best to send some links or answer those questions for you guys. Then once again, if you found this video helpful, please feel free to show your support. It would mean a lot to me by hitting the like, subscribe, or leave a comment down below. I greatly appreciate that, guys. All right, this is Crazy Honda Chris, your friend in the car business. We'll stay in touch. Thanks for watching.